Hi guys, share ko lang no. So the last time na shinare ko sa inyo itong TP trading na copy trading with Vantage Markets, 9% yung return YTD. Right now it's 14% na yung return YTD niya, and max monthly return since January pa lang. So syempre pareho lang sila, but still we can see na talagang nag-grow yung account no. And despite na yun nga volatile yung market, and also ang maganda dito no, intact yung capital mo, tumutubo. And this is just a few days from January no. So very big na to, kung tutuusin malaki na to, and hindi to chamba. Syempre 14% is conservative, but at the same time it's quite big na rin if you are going to compare this with stocks, with bonds, and with your other trading instrument no, with other assets. So 14% per month is really big. So we don't want to aim yung mga malalaki ng 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000%. Pwede yan, possible yan, kaya kitaan yan with forex trading, but still it's really prone with wipe out, yung nawa-wipe out yung account. Syempre pag na-wipe out yung strategy na kinakopy nyo, kasama kayo doon. So we don't want that. We want a sustainable earning na pwede na, and malaki rin, di ba? So hindi ka kumukurot-kurot lang, pwede kang dumakot kasi malaki-laki rin yan eh. So yun guys, open an account with Vantage Markets, nandiyan yung link niya sa bio natin, and deposit. So you can send me and directly send me yung account niyo with Vantage Markets, and then I can also give you the schedule ng next webinar natin. So aside from you doing copy trading, you can also do manual trading on your own. So para mas ma-maximize natin yung profits natin and earnings natin with forex trading. So that's it guys, see you there.